guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I got this messy bun, it's really messy. It's going to get messier and messier, and she gonna leave it just like this. If you want to know how I achieved this bun, it's super quick and easy. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome. I tried to film this video a few days ago, and the lighting was off. My backdrop wouldn't stay up, kept falling behind me. So I had to rearrange where I film for now. I ordered a backdrop holder, so I am praying that it works. But I'm gonna come and do another ponytail. It's hot. Ponytails are quick, they're cute. In and out the door. I want to do some other styles, but it's still too hot to do that. I don't want hair on my neck at the moment. So we're just going to do a ponytail. I'm going to use my gummy, I'm going to use my gummy gel from the last video. This gel is really, really good. So yeah, I'm just going to try to slick my ponytail up and move on. We're just going to do what it do. Because you know when you don't want to do something, I want to do it, but in my spirit, it's kind of all, you know what I mean? But we're going to get through this video. So now that is kind of tacky, I just wanted to speed up the drying process. Now that it's, you know, almost dry. I feel like I want to do my sides. I don't know. Because the last time I did the style, I did the ponytail and then I did my sides. But I feel like if I do my sides now, they may be dry by the time I finish the ponytail. So let me go get the stuff on my sides. If you watch my videos, you already know what I'm using, so I'll be right back. So I started wetting my sides down before I put down my mousse on my sides. This will make your hair need a relaxer faster because I need one right now. But I'm doing my hair on Monday. But anywho, this is a good method because you use less of the mousse. But like I said, my sides need to be relaxed more often because I keep wetting them. But you know, for the sake of the video and the style, I do what I have to do. But yeah, I'm gonna do a new style anyway, so I wasn't like too upset. white strips are my favorite. Black who? They're in the closet collecting dust. But this is my favorite wrap. It just makes your sides like just lay down like a dream. Like a dream, baby. So I sprayed free spray all over where I felt like the track will touch and on my little bun, and everything was perfect. There was no glue whatsoever on my hair. So I'm going to be using another type of 30-inch hair, but this one is called Breezy Wave. So it has like a little slight wave to it. Yeah, the other hair was fine. I just wore it for like a week. It was just too long, and I just wanted to do some videos for y'all and something cute and something different. So 30 inches was definitely different. So this is the hair. So I have 2 packs. I have more packs if I need, but I'm going to start off with 2 packs and see what it looks like, if I think it's enough for the style I'm going for. I still haven't told you what style I'm going for, but you're going to just have to see it. It's in the style 1. You already know I love black hair. So the track was very, very long, which was fine in the beginning, but you'll see towards the middle, my daughter starts to help me because the hair was so long. I needed her to help me hold it up so I didn't like glue the track onto itself. It was crazy, but like I said, I love the top knot. It was super, super cute. Right here, I'm like, you're going to help me? Are you sure? And she's like, yeah, I'm going to help you. So you'll see her in a few minutes helping me, but it's easy to wrap if your head is down. But I can't put my head down and film the video for you guys. So she came in and she helped her mother. God bless her. And yeah, I have a great daughter. As you can see, my lovely assistant, she has a bonnet on, so she's not going to say hi.
I am too. Hi.
She helped me because, Lord, this hair is so long. It's long. But it's cute. So this is pack 1, and I'm going to add another pack And I'm going to see how I like the thickness. If not, then I'll just add another bundle, well, pack on top. But I like this way better than the straight hair. Because one, you don't have to straighten it. And two, it doesn't get tangled as easily. So I'm going to move on to pack 2. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I only used 2 packs. I didn't add any more hair. And 2 packs were super duper light. Even if I did 3 packs, it would still be light. But I ended up just using 2. So after a few tries, I like this style better. I'm going to twist it super tight and then I'm going to pin it in place because you want height. Now you could have twisted it again just to have it higher, but I didn't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist it and wrap, just flick the wrist and wrap it. And then I just tucked it under the bun so that, yeah, it's so cute. I want to do it again. I'm about to take it out, but I want to do it again. It's so cute. And then I pinned it in place a few times. So I kept all of that in because sometimes, you know, like, and then you mess with it. It was perfect right here. But me, I kept messing with it. And it started to unravel, but it was still cute because it was like a messy kind of bun side in mine. But this is the finished look. It's so cute. Enjoyed my video on how I got this messy bun. I'm all about being cute, having the style be fast, and it's too hot to have hair on my neck. Until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.